I want to check out a comment that I got the other day, which I found absolutely hilarious and fascinating. So I'm going to put up this real quick, right? Hopefully the stream doesn't mess up because, it is what it is. It is what it is. Let's go and do this, right? So I want to say a big, big shout out to all of the trolls out there. What am I talking about? So let's do this. I'm gonna share a comment that I got on a video. Let me see. Let me do this, right? So let me go like this. And I'm going to do, give me a second here. Give me a second to set this thing up because I am apparently not prepared. Let me go to, let me mute that. Let's do that. And I'm gonna go to, all right, let's go like this, right? So I'm going to be, we're not gonna spend more than 5 minutes on the trolls, all right? So let's go to the comment first, right? Let's go to, let me switch screens. So I got this comment, right? And you guys know how I feel about people. I'm like, yeah, whatever, who cares, right? But I got this comment, right? So this person right here, his little face right here, Tom Ass Loan. So Tom Ass Loan is the name, right? That's the YouTube handle. Tom Ass Loan, 1964, right? Says, right? Stop acting like there's a bunch of black people in computer science, right? I'm like, okay, well, I wonder where that came from. I never said anything about that. So I responded to Tom Ass Loan, 1964, saying, who said anything about black people in computer science? But thank you for watching. With all due respect, thank you for watching, right? And then Tom Ass Loan, 1964, responded, you did with your non-diverse, uninclusive channel art. I was like, my channel art? So I was like, what channel art are you talking about? So the channel art that they were referring to was this beautiful thumbnail right here. This thumbnail is absolutely fascinating. I mean, I created it myself, right? I'm like, so beautiful, so cute, like, and the colors and everything. I was like, I was a little bit hurt. I was taken aback. I was like, I had a lot of questions for Tom Ass Loan, 1964, right? I had a question for Tom Ass Loan, right? And my question was,
yeah, I have a lot of questions. Number one, how dare you?
How dare you? That is such a beautiful thumbnail. I was impressed by that thumbnail, right? So but I responded to Tom Ass Loan, 1964, right? I said, I'm sorry that she hurt your feelings. Please forgive me. But make sure that you subscribe and like the video as well. But I felt bad that I was not diverse enough with my uninclusive channel art. So I decided to accommodate Tom Ass Loan, 1964, right? The way that I accommodated Tom Ass Loan, 1964 was I made this thumbnail for this show with great diversity, right? I said, you know what? We're going to have diverse hoodies. Shout out to diverse hoodies out there, right? So I had the diverse white hoodie, the diverse red hoodie, and the diverse black hoodie. And I hope and pray that this thumbnail is diverse enough for Tom Ass Loan. All right, I'm just saying. Hopefully it's diverse enough for Tom Ass Loan, 1964. Just trying to, spread the love, spread the wealth, spread the diversity in computer science and cybersecurity. Right? So I just wanted to make sure that I was very accommodating to Tom Ass Loan, 1964, and I really hope and pray that he appreciates my effort to be inclusive and diverse as a content creator because I do not want anybody to feel left out. Hoodies, hoodie colors matter, right? Hoodie colors matter. So there we go. I took care of that. All right. Night Jade says need a blue. I got you, Night. I got you, Night Jade. I got you. But I want to say this though. I want to say that I absolutely love the energy and the trolls and all that type of stuff because look, I fight for my life on a daily basis, like fighting people in martial arts and mixed martial and not mixed in martial arts and stuff like that, jujitsu, choking people, getting choked, people trying to break my arm. So for me, like there are some people that their life revolves around everything that happens online and YouTube. That is their life. It's like, oh my God, I didn't get mentioned and this and that and how dare you? I'm not appreciated and all this nonsense, right? I'm like, for me, this is like my number one goal here is to learn and add value. If I can add value into somebody's life by making diverse hoodie colors for my beautiful, beautiful thumbnail ladies, then by all means, I'm gonna add these diverse colors, right? So people might try
back to work, chop chop, let's go. Come on, get a move on. Back to work, back to work, back to work.
People might try to take little shots here and there at your channel about the way that you do things. And I'm like, I do not care one bit whatsoever, right? I don't care. And I'll give you a quick example, right? A while ago, because you guys know that I absolutely love my sound effects. And this person was not trolling. They were being very, very genuine, right? And they said, you know, I love your content, but the sound effects are a little bit much for me. I said, what? I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I'm shocked and appalled. But I did say this. All right, you know what? I really, really appreciate you watching and that you like it. But if the sound effects are too much for you, right? Then you could check out my guy, the test lead, because he is very monotone and he is very, he's very, you know, he doesn't have any sound effects. He doesn't go live, right? He doesn't have any sound effects. He doesn't do anything, but he's very monotone type of guy. And I've been on this channel before, and he's interviewed me, and we've had a conversation, and I'll probably do another one sometime this year with him. I don't know, but if he is more of your style, you don't like the sound effects, you like the more monotone thing. You don't like when I get excited and when I'm like, oh man, and when my feelings get hurt by Mitch not properly addressing me as his best friend, you know. Then, you know, there are other and that's why I say I love content creators who are doing the work, because there's different learning styles. There's different styles for different people, and I support them all, right? So that's what I am saying. But I don't trolls, whatever. They don't mean anything to me, because look, I have to protect myself from getting my arm broken and getting choked out and falling asleep every single day. But I must say that I'm also choking people and trying to break their arms as well. So it's fair. So when somebody tells you a little something, leaves you a comment, I laugh at it. When people say they're hurt about this and that, I laugh at it. I'm like, look, you need to grow up, right? Stop living these dusty lives and grow up and live. All right. So that's my thoughts about that. But shout out to all the trolls out there. I just have fun with you. Right? So that's that. Let me check the chat real quick, and then we're gonna get back to it, right?
Dusty trolls come out of the woodworks, whispering their nonsense at the moon, laughing at the silly little quirks. I know they'll be gone soon. Long live the trolls in the shadows, dancing in their mischief parade. Weave your webs and cast your halos. In my world, you're all just delayed.
They say dumb things and I accommodate, flipping words like cards in a game. serving them a plate they can't forsake, knowing none will ever be the same.
I have fun with their foolish schemes, turning noise to gold with a twist. In between their broken dreams, finding gems they never missed. Lord,